If you're seeing a Godaddy error saving products, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing your store without frustration. This is a common issue, and in most cases, it comes down to a browser problem, a slow internet connection, or something in your browser blocking the save process. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tech fixes, and let's jump right in. First, refresh the page. A simple refresh can clear a temporary loading issue and often fixes small glitches right away. After that, check your internet speed. Open your browser, search for speed test, and run a quick test to make sure your connection is stable. If your internet is slow or dropping out, Godaddy may fail when trying to save product changes. Next, disable any browser extensions, especially ad blockers. To do that, click the three dots in your browser, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off anything that could interfere with the page. Some extensions can block scripts or buttons from working properly, which can trigger save errors. After that, clear your browser cache. Click the three dots again, go to Delete Browsing Data, select Cached Images and Files, and then clear the data. Cached files can become outdated and cause website errors, so this step is often very effective. If you're still getting the error, try using a different browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, switch to Edge, Firefox, or another supported browser, and sign in again. Sometimes the issue is browser-specific, and changing browsers can immediately solve the problem. Once you've tried these steps, go back to your Godaddy products page and attempt to save again. In many cases, one of these fixes will resolve the issue completely. If the error is gone, that means the problem was likely caused by your browser, cache, extension, or connection. And if it's still happening, you may want to check whether Godaddy itself is having a temporary service issue, or contact support for more help. I hope this tutorial helped you fix the Godaddy error-saving products. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick troubleshooting guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.